In this video, I'm going to show you this smartwatch. It's for Android and iOS. It's got so many functions that you'd be forgiven to think that it was a high-end smartwatch. So if you're looking for a video that's going to show you how to use it and what it can do, you're in the right place, so stick around. Hello, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video I'm going to look at this smartwatch that I got from Amazon. It looks like an Apple smartwatch, but it's not one of the cheapest ones. It's slightly higher than that. It's unbranded. There is a brand name, I forget. Oh, it's a Souyie, S-O-U-Y-I-E. So yeah, it's a smartwatch, and it's got all the bells and whistles on it. So we can open it up and have a look inside and see what we've got. Right, okay, so lots of cardboard so far, which is great. Alright, actually looks quite nice. It's got a good weight to it, nice strap. Oh, do you know what? It looks really nice. It looks just like the Apple Watch. Please charge it before use. Please be sure to follow the content provided in the manual, downloading the app before use. Okay. Alright, so that's not much of an unboxing video. So that's the watch. I wonder if it's got any power. How do I turn it on? Press and hold that one. No, there's no power because it does say, oh, it is, it's turning on. Hello? Should I charge it first? I should probably charge it first. I'll just turn it off. So what I'll do now is I'll touch screen. It's touch screen. That's cool. Awesome. So what I'm going to do, I'll go and charge it, and then I'll be right back and show you what it can do. See you in a sec. So these guys are Fioboc, and I'm going to start with saying that these clothes are brilliant, really comfortable and really great to wear. They specialize in making clothes that are comfy and stylish and affordable, which is 3 ticks in my book if you ask me. This is the Stay Smooth long sleeve t-shirt in classic fit. It's sage grey and yeah, really comfy. This is the water repellent reversible bomber. It's in grey. This is a medium one. I'm 6 foot. So now we've got the Ace hoodie. This is brick red colour in medium, and it's really comfy. It's snug. I think it fits really well. So if you follow the link in the description and use code LEES20 for 20% off site-wide. The watch has been on charge for a few hours. What I'm going to do now is going to scan the barcode, download the app, and take it from there, see what happens. Okay, so that works straight away. It's picked up a foreign one. I don't know if it's going to make any difference. Nope. And so we got the options to download from whatever store we want. So we want the Google Play download. Fit Cloud Pro. So we install that. Okay, installed, so it's open and agreed. Mobile phone email. So put in my phone number. Done. Oh, so I've got to create one. Right, so I'll just do on register. Okay, so we'll save that. Birthday. Okay. Mail. 182, I think. I'll do my weight. Doesn't matter. Oh, I suppose it does matter. I think it's 82. Next. Do you have to? Done. Right, okay. Now next. So you have to fill in all the details. Definitely have to have a nickname in there. Yep, that seems do that. Full permissions are required to keep requesting the next step. You used to search connect nearby devices. Yeah, okay. Allow that. I haven't turned the watch on yet. Do you think I suppose I should? Okay, long hold. I think it's searching for it. Oh, actually, it already was on English. Please download and install. Yep, done that. Oh, connect. There we go. See that? Vibrated then, so it says agree to the phone. Can we see that okay? Agree, yes. And then we've got pair on here. Finding success. Excellent. Time is right. So allow contacts. Wow. That's really good. Really impressed with that. How do we get... Oh, wow. Look at that. That's really large. Work out walking and running. Excellent. Oh look, it starts. I don't want to do that though. Okay, so immediately want to cancel because I'm not actually. How do you? Oh, click that. Stop. Too little to say. Yeah. No. Okay, so what I'm going to do, what's the main screen? I'm going to have a look at it, see what else it can do, and then I'm going to come back and show you exactly what I've got up with it, done with it so far, and what it can do, and my thoughts on it. So, okay, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so after using the phone for a couple of weeks, I got a couple of things that I wanted to show you in the app. First of all, it's a really good watch, and I'm really enjoying using it. And when you open the app, you've got to wait for it to sync, just like it showed you on there before you do anything else, because it doesn't really work if you don't let it sync. First of all, one little niggle on the app on the first page, all the information you can see in front of you is great, but if you scroll up like that and then go back down again, it slightly disappears at the top under there. So it's, and then you go up there and then it's completely disappeared at the top, and there's only little bits visible on the top underneath distance, bound and goal. If you press device and then go back home, and it's all back again. It's very strange. I'm not sure why it does that. It's just a little bit odd, but it doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world. On the first screen, you can see you've got different specs. So you've got the sleep on there, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen. And if you press the health measurement down the bottom there, it measures everything on your wrist. So it measures all these things listed above, and it shows you the readout. Now, the sleep does work, and it is actually quite good. I haven't done anything for a while because I have a slight issue with the sleep monitor. So if you want to go to device and you go to raise to wake, so you can change the time of the raise to wake so it doesn't shine in your face during the night, because you don't want that whilst you're asleep. Because if you're a light sleeper like I am, it's going to wake you up. So you set it for during the day, and then it's only going to work during that time. So that's great. So you go back to home, and you go back to the sleep data, and then you can have a look at what the data's been like. Now, another important thing is that you cannot change the notifications to stop coming through to your watch. So yes, you can turn the raise to wake off so it doesn't illuminate in your eyes, but you can't stop the notifications. So if you get any emails or anything through your phone, your watch is going to vibrate. Which is really, really annoying. So I found that out, so I stopped using the sleep monitor, which is a shame because I was really enjoying using that and it was quite nice to see. So I can't show you what it actually looks like on the day because it shows you what times you were light sleeping and what times you were heavy sleeping, but I can show you here the average. So as you can see, I am a light sleeper. So that's great. But it does need work. I really hope that the company will be able to change that, because I really want to be able to use that in the future. Now, the watch itself is actually brilliant for receiving messages and emails, any sort of notifications from your phone onto your watch. That's great. You can read them and you can answer the phone, but you can't reply to messages, obviously, because you're going to need a SIM card for that. And you can't see pictures because the same reason. But it's brilliant for doing all of those things, and you can change the notifications, so you can select which notifications you want to be able to receive and which ones you don't want to receive. You can also set alarms, which I haven't done so. You can select the activity reminder, tell you to get moving or have a drink. There's the dial library. There's billions of them. You can scroll through and see whichever ones you want. There's absolutely loads of them. I haven't even got to the bottom of the page yet because I found some ones I wanted, and it's really easy to install. So you just select one, maybe that one there, and then you just push it and it replaces the one that's already downloaded. But the problem is, whichever one you download, it always replaces the previous one that you've already downloaded. You can't choose which. As you can see, it says select the position to replace, but there's only one to be replaced, and that's the previous one that's already downloaded. So you can't download a selection of new faces. All you can do is get one new one at a time. That's a shame as well, because I'd like to see that change if we can do in the future on an update, hopefully. So last thing to mention was the tracker. So I used the tracker on the watch to measure a run. I did a hour run. It seemed out of sync according to the treadmill, but when I finished, it didn't show me any results. And you can go to, this Google Fit is connected, but I can't use Google Fit because it won't let me log into the same profile as I have with this watch. So I use Health Connect, and it seems to be correct. It is connected to Samsung Health, but it hasn't shown up any of my trackers, so I'm not sure how that works. I really hope that's another thing that can get sorted. Maybe I've done something wrong. I'm not sure what's happened, but if someone can show me exactly what we need to do, then that'd be great. Any comments down below, that'd be awesome. So some other brilliant features this watch has. You can find your watch, which is absolutely amazing. So you just click on it and your watch vibrates. And it says find watch on there. And you've got an automatic health monitor, which is absolutely amazing. You can select which side, which hand you want your watch on. Another thing is shake photographs. You just click on that, and then what you do is shake the, there we go, shake your watch, and it takes a picture of a lovely little mouse mat. So that's a nice little feature. So that'd be good for when you're taking photo of lots of people, including yourself, obviously, because otherwise you just press the button yourself. So that's a good thing. Also, weather reports is really helpful. Sports push, you can assign lots of different types of sports to put onto your watch, so you can monitor that as you go. So in summary, I really do like this watch. It's really good for receiving notifications like emails and messages and phone calls. Brilliant for that, and handy for answering the phone whilst you're doing something with your hands, like driving, for example. But on the other hand, it's a shame about the tracking, because when you want to track what you've done on your run, perhaps you want to see the results afterwards, can't find out what's happened. It's such a shame. You have to see it as you're going along on your watch. It shows you what your readout is at the time and shows you how fast you're going and your your results at the time. But you can't see it afterwards. It's such a shame, and I really hope that does get resolved in an update perhaps. And also the sleep monitor, I really want that to be improved so we can actually have the sleep monitor on whilst your watch is on, but you don't get notifications. I would really like to see that change. We need to be able to disconnect from notifications during the night. So that'd be great. So apart from those couple of things, it's actually a really good watch, and I really do enjoy using it. I'm going to continue using it. I'm actually going to replace it from my Samsung watch, because that one's really let me down lately. That's a different story. So yeah, this actually is a thumbs up from me. I do really like this watch. Just beware that the tracking is not great at the moment. Perhaps I'm wrong. If you know any details that I've missed out, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll be really keen to see what's going on with that one if you do know. Anyway, that's it from me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. Bye.